Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching the part 2 of the sub-series C# containers GroupBox. So in the previous video, we learned about the containers basic. GroupBox is one of a container. In this video, we will talk about the example that we will create in the next two videos. So this slide is from previous video. Now let us talk about the example. Here, if you see, this is the top level container which contains container 1, GroupBox 1, container 2, one more GroupBox, and then it has a checkbox also. So inside the GroupBox, we have four radio buttons actually. Then there is one more GroupBox here. Here we have two command button and two radio button. So what happens once you click enable action here, this will place a check mark and then it will enable the GroupBox and all the controls inside this action GroupBox. So that's one action here. Once you put enable action, this will enable the second GroupBox. That means container 2 it will enable. And since the controls will inherit from the above GroupBox, that means all the properties are inherited from this GroupBox. So once we enable this particular GroupBox container 2, all the controls inside this container will get enabled. Then here what we do, this set font, once you click this, after enabling you can click set font, so it will display a font dialog. Then you can pick a specific font and that font will be set to container 1. And once we set a font to this container, that means the country GroupBox, all the controls it contains will inherit that property. That means if I set Verdana font with a font size of 12 points, then all these control, I mean the four radio buttons, will inherit that property. That means this will also change its font to Verdana 12 point as a size. Next, here if you see, once we click this hide country, what we will do, we will just hide this GroupBox. So it will hide all the control it contains, because this is the GroupBox and the GroupBox contains four radio buttons. So once we hide this country GroupBox, all its child will get hidden. Then here we have two radio buttons. Using this we will set a different color to the once again country GroupBox. And again here we won't set the background color for each of the control inside it. We just set the background color for the container, that means for this particular GroupBox. Then we will examine that all the radio button will change its background. So that's all about this example. This example will help you to understand that once we set some property to the container, all the child control will inherit that property. So that stuff we will learn here in this example. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.